Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well today. I look a mess, but it's because it's Saturday and running some errands and cleaning and car washing and all that house chores and all that. But today I wanted to show you how to change your cabin air filter on the Nissan Rogue. So I got this from Amazon. I was gonna go change it at the shop and it was gonna cost me about $29.95 to get the filter plus a labor cost, and it was gonna be about $50 to do it. So I figured, hey, I think I can do it myself. I know where the filter is located, so I haven't done it before, but I'm going to try to do it. And this can save me half the price. I got this filter from Amazon for less than $15. So we're going to try to save about $30 and do it ourselves. DIY, we're all about the DIY, so let's get to it.
Over there, I hope you guys can see it. There normally is a lock. So I heard, but mine doesn't have any lock to it. So I think we can just pull it out just like so. And it's really simple to pull out. So now I'm going to try to get this filter out. It looks like it's a bit hard to get out, but we're going to yank it out. Do our best to yank it out. Oh, there we go. That's really tough. Okay. Whew.
There we go. And look at it. See how dirty that is? This is real bad.
Same.
Yeah. Looks about the same.
This is an actual Nissan made filter.
But hey, we bought one from Amazon, so a filter is a filter. It will work. So
here I am, trying to place this back in here. Oh, there we go. I got one in. Oh, it's not easy, but we can do it. Okay, almost there. There we go. And it's in. So we have to make sure that it's leveled and right. I think we have it in. There we have it. It's in there. Just lock back in there, lock in there like this. There's a little wire blocking it. There we go. And that's it. As simple as that. $50 saved. Well, minus the filter. $30 saved. There we have it.
Guys, that's it. In less than 5 minutes, I changed my filter. It's a sweaty job. You're gonna sweat. So I did this during the day, so it's really hot outside, but it's a quick fix. $30 saved. Like I said, at the shop, they were gonna charge me about $50 to do it. So just imagine the dealership, they charge you a little bit more. It's a bit challenging when you try to push it in, but once you get it in the hole, it's really that simple. You save $30 that you can have lunch, dinner with. So yeah, I hope you guys can use this as a guide, and yeah, try it. Try a DIY. Save some money. All right. Thanks for watching.
Shut up. 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 Shut up.